Hey guys, welcome. My name is Robert Barry, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video at any point in time. I'm coming to you live from my home, which is located in the beautiful islands in the Bahamas, right? And so, guys, this video today is going to be geared towards persons that partner with me within the Power Lead system. Maybe you would have partnered with somebody else. Maybe you're looking for a way to make an extra income online, or maybe you're looking for a main source of income, or maybe you are looking for ways to advertise or promote another business, right? And so one of the main things that I always say to people that I meet that are in other niches, whether it be health and wellness, the travel industry, the lead generation, you name it, any business online, the Power Lead system can blend in with that business to help you to advertise this business, advertise your business, right? Until you get lead capture pages that you, unlimited lead capture pages that you can create. The company also has generic lead capture pages. You have generic email follow-up system that goes out on your behalf, or you can go ahead and create your own email follow-up. There's so much different things that you can use the Power Lead system for to help promote any business that you're a part of, right? Also, if you're out there and you don't have a business at all, you're searching the World Wide Web and you're looking for something to make some extra money, I can tell you the Power Lead system is an awesome tool that you can use to make your mainstream of income. Why? Because the Power Lead system is a tool that is the Power Lead system is a tool that every marketer needs, right? And so this makes this tool very, very, very attractive. Okay. And so what I want to share with you guys today is three crucial steps that you can do today to start to promote the Power Lead system and or promote any business online, right? And so before I even get into all of that, I want to share some of my results with you guys. Once that is done, we're going to come back over here and I'm going to share with you three getting started steps that you need to or you should align yourself with in order to start to promote the Power Lead system and your stream of income. If you don't have, I'll show you how you can start to promote the Power Lead system to generate some commissions, right? So I'm going to go over to my email inbox really quick, right? And so you guys can see here, I'm in the back office of my email, right? And so as you guys can see here, I'm making unlimited $7 commissions. I'm getting gold membership signups. I'm getting PLS customers, right? And with the $7 Lead Lightning membership, right? And so it's a $7 one-time fee, right? And you have you put yourself in a position to make unlimited $7 commissions, right? The gold membership, it's $100, and you will position yourself to make a $20 residual monthly. If you guys go ahead, you can check out the compensation plan. All the links are going to be right at the bottom of this very video. I think I'm going to add in my Facebook. I like to leave a way of contact for persons that reach out to me or interest via YouTube, right? And so you guys can reach out to me, send me a friend request, and I'll be more than happy to accept your friend request and go from there. But as you guys can see, right, unlimited $6 commissions, right, gold membership, and this is every month. And when you partner with me, I have a list of simple daily strategies that I give to people or persons that partner with me. And so once you do that, as a bonus, I would gladly give you my daily routine and advertising strategies. Once again, my video is going to be over at the very bottom of this video, right? And so getting back to our 3 getting started steps, and it's really easy, ladies and gentlemen. So once you would have went ahead and you would have completed your payment and your membership and all of that, now you're getting into your back office. You will come up on a screen as what you see here, right? And so 3 simple steps. You're going to join the Facebook group. I always tell people or persons that partner with me, joining the Facebook group is very important. The main reason is because all of the creators, all of the top earners are in this Facebook group. They are posting their weekly, their daily earnings. And for me, when I first got started, seeing those earnings, I knew that those earnings were not typical, but it gave me some sort of motivation that I too one day would be seeing these large sums of commission, right? And due to the fact that they are consistent, they are able to earn these types of income, right? And so, as a matter of fact, I'm going to take you guys over to the Facebook group really quick. All right, so this is the Power Lead System official Facebook group. All right. As you guys can see here, about an hour ago, less than 1 hour ago, I would have posted this post inside of the Facebook group, and it says, "Good morning, guys. Just wanted to share some of my recent results. Hopefully, it encourages someone." And so, I believe in business and dealing with people and persons. You should do whatever you can do to encourage persons, even though at the end of the day the ownership falls on you to run your business. The leader, the sponsor, is just there to guide you. They are not there to run your business. And every so often I come into the Facebook group and I drop little nuggets. I try to encourage as much persons as possible, right? So here's Tom welcoming a new member. There's Kate welcoming a new member, and new members are coming in this group daily, and lives are being changed, right? And so I want to get back to 3 getting started steps. So you want to click the link, go over to the Facebook group. The second thing that you should do is choose which links you want to promote, right? So lead lightning, right? We talked about the lead lightning funnel earlier, which is a $7 buy-in, and you position yourself to make unlimited $7 commissions. Now, here is where the lead lightning funnel or opportunity is invaluable, right? You guys see this box right here, right? So let's say if John Doe is a part of ABC Company, right? And so ABC Company has a referral link. What John Doe can do is go over to ABC Company and get his referral link and paste it in here, click update, right? And so what that does is when John Doe goes out and he advertises or promotes his lead lightning link, right? What the system will do on the back end is it will send out a series of emails, not only promoting the lead lightning link, John Doe's lead lightning link, it will also promote John Doe's ABC Company via emails, right? And so what you create now is what I call a double whammy, right? And so if Mary opts into John Doe's lead lightning opportunity, she then goes and sees value in the lead lightning link. Well, this is a tool that I can use. She goes in, pays her $7, by her joining or entering an email into the capture page, she is now going to get emails on behalf of John Doe's ABC Company. So she clicks on John Doe's ABC Company and she sees an opportunity or a tool that John Doe is offering on the back end. So she goes and she clicks in it and she joins it. Now John Doe has positioned himself to gain or to make or to create a double or a second stream of income just by promoting one link. And I think that in itself saves a lot of time for most of us marketers out there. You promote one link and two links are promoted on the back end. And for that reason, I think that this Lead Lightning tool is very powerful, separate and apart from all of the other benefits, right? And so if you guys are like interested, you're looking for an extra stream of income, you're looking for different ways to promote maybe your main stream of income, like I said, go ahead, click that link. All of the necessary information is going to be at the very bottom of this video, right? And so now I went ahead of myself. I gave you step number 3, right? You just put your link in here, promote your funnel, and it will work for you while you are asleep, right? One of the things I believe in when it comes to network marketing, internet marketing, MNL, if your business is not set up whereby you're able to make money while you are at the park with your kids, away from your computer, maybe enjoying a day out on the beach or something like that, it makes no sense, because the reason why you're doing it is for either time freedom, financial freedom. Everyone is in it for some type of freedom, right? And so I'm not one that believes in being in the front of the computer all day. I got into this business because I want time freedom and I wanted financial freedom. And so I'm going to set up my business as such, right? And so having said that, like I said, when you partner with me, I give you my detailed advertising strategies, right? And so I encourage you guys, if you're looking for something to advertise your business, you're looking for full-time income, please go ahead, click the link at the bottom of this video, and I guarantee if you follow the strategies, you will get these very same results or even better. But know that everything that happens or will happen will 100% be on you as a result of your consistency and your work ethic, right? And so you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on another video shortly.